Hey guys, my YouTube channel friends, कैसे हैं आप सब? Hopefully you also fine. Guys, I'm sharing beautiful pebble ideas. Guys, you like its beautiful ideas, and that's beautiful stone ideas. I'm introducing pebble painting ideas. I'm introducing with you in this video. Hope so, guys. You like this video. And friends, you will enjoy this beautiful style ideas, that's looking beautiful ideas. Friends, hope you like this video. Beautiful style ideas, you can enjoying its beautiful ideas that are completely different to each other, and you can enjoying this beautiful style ideas where I'm introducing. Hopefully guys you like this video and you can enjoying this beautiful and accurate ideas where I'm sharing. You will like this beautiful style ideas where I'm introducing with you. Subscribe my YouTube channel, and friends, you can gain new and different stylic ideas where I'm introducing, and you can gain new and different style ideas where I'm introducing with you. Hope so guys you like this video. New and unique ideas, that's looking such a great ideas where I'm sharing with you, and you can enjoying this beautiful styles. Hope so guys you like this video and elegant designs, and you can gain new and different ideas that are completely different to each other, and you can gain new and different ideas that are very beautiful styles where I'm introducing, and you can enjoying this beautiful style ideas, looking so beautiful and awesome designs. Subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can enjoying its beautiful ideas that are completely different to each other, and you can gain new and different ideas. Hopefully friends you will enjoying its